Join me as I take on the challenge of ditching all my influences and finding my own unique style. No copying allowed. Finding your own style is like unlocking a superpower. It's what sets you apart from everyone else and makes your creative expression truly authentic. When you're rocking your own style, you exude confidence and make a statement that's uniquely yours. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good in your own skin. We're constantly bombarded with trends and influences from social media, friends, and celebrities. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and start mimicking what others are doing. But let's be real, when you copy someone else's style, it's like wearing a costume that doesn't quite fit. You might look okay, but you won't feel like the best version of yourself, and that's because it's not you. Trends come and go, and if you're always chasing the latest thing, you'll end up looking like a jack of all trades and a master of none. Your style should be a reflection of your personality, interests, and values. When you're trying to fit into someone else's mold, you'll always feel like you're trying too hard. And that's when the doubts creep in. Do I really like this, or am I just doing it because everyone else is? The pressure to conform can be overwhelming. You might feel like you're stuck in a sea of sameness, and it's hard to stand out. But here's the thing, your uniqueness is what makes you interesting. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. That's where the magic happens. So, where do you start? Begin by taking a step back and assessing what you like. Look for inspiration in different places: nature, art, books, or even your favorite movies. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Mix and match different styles, colors, and patterns until you find what works for you. And most importantly, be authentic. I remember a friend who used to change her style to fit in with different groups of friends. She'd wear edgy outfits with one crowd and boho chic with another. But one day, she decided to take a stand and be herself, no matter what. She started dressing in a way that truly reflected her personality: quirky, colorful, and fun. The transformation was amazing. She exuded confidence and attracted people who appreciated her for who she was. Her story is a powerful reminder that your style is a form of self-expression. When you're true to yourself, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You start to attract people who appreciate your uniqueness and share your passions. In the end, it's all about embracing your individuality. Don't try to fit into someone else's box. Create your own. Take risks, experiment, and have fun with it. Your style is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for joining me on this journey of finding your own style. I'd love to hear about your own experiences. Share your stories in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips on self-improvement and creativity, check out my next video.